In this release, a new C Azure Service Bus component is added for routes, allowing you to send messages to or receive messages from Azure Service Bus. The C Azure Service Bus component has to be used with C Azure Connection, which creates a connection to Azure portal. You can choose the service bus type from queue and topic, and specify the name of the queue or topic to connect to. In this example, we built two routes, a producer route and a consumer route. Messages are sent to Azure Service Bus in the producer route and then consumed in the consumer route. In the producer route, the C Azure Connection component is configured to connect to Azure portal. The C Timer component triggers 3 message exchanges. The C Set Body component sets Hello World in constant language as the message body. The C Azure Service Bus component reuses the connection established in C Azure Connection and sends the message to the dev test queue. The C Log component logs the message exchanges. Run the route. We can see that 3 messages are published to Azure Service Bus. In the consumer route, the C Azure Connection, C Azure Service Bus and C Log components are configured exactly the same as the producer. C Azure Service Bus consumes the messages from the dev test queue. Run the consumer route. The messages published from the producer route are consumed. The schema evolution in tIcebergTable and Spark Batch Jobs is now available. New actions are available in the Action on Table property using Alter. With the Add Columns action, you can add 1 or more columns to your table. Click Edit Schema and add as many columns as you want with the plus button. With the Reorder Columns action, you can reorder 1 or more columns, either as the first column in the table or after another specific column. For example, you can place column 2 as the first column, and place column 1 after column 2. With the Rename Columns action, you can rename 1 or more columns. For example, rename the columns to column 1 and column 2. With the Alter Columns action, you can modify the type and the comment of columns. In this example, let's change the column type from long to int. And finally, with the Drop Columns action, you can remove 1 or more columns. Click the plus button to type the name of the dropped column.